There are certain things you shouldn't do in life, and one of them is definitely teaching your kids to drive, because it's highly stressful. So why put yourself through it? It's just going to end in tears. And I always said to myself, I'll never teach my kids to drive. I would rather just pay somebody to do it. And I think in Spain anyway, you can't teach them. They have to go to a school. But anyway, my kids are 16 and they've done quite a bit of karting over the years, but I want them to come to a track day with me next time, but actually drive the RS on track. You don't need a license to drive on a track in Spain. You just need to be able to drive. So I want them to experience the car. I think this is a great car to go on track days with, especially if you're a bit of a novice, because it's so forgiving, it's so easy to drive. So anyway, I want to take them and let them drive around the track in the RS. So it means that I have to teach them how to drive, because they're used to go-karts, but they're not used to gearboxes and normal cars. So we started. Right, we need to concentrate.
That's the best lighting ever.
Give me the phone. Concentrate and do as I tell you.
Yeah, it's easy.
Right, first thing is you need to put the seat closer. You need to be able to... Do you know the 3 pedals?
Yeah.
What have you got?
Brake, change gear, and then that's the...
No. So,
yeah, it
put your
is.
seat a bit closer.
Oh no, that's the brake and that's the change gear.
Yeah, but
that's
for the brake, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
At this point, I started worrying that she'd slammed the clutch with her left foot, thinking it was the brake.
Oh.
Right, get closer to the steering wheel first. Lift the seat handle. Right, you should be able to push the clutch, which is the left pedal, all the way down.
Yeah.
Can you put it down?
Yeah.
No. So, the left only uses the clutch.
Yeah,
that one.
Yeah.
The right is the brake and the accelerator.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
All right, just press it a bit. No. A bit.
All right.
So just press it gently.
All
right. Are you comfortable at that distance?
Right. Yep. Let's go.
And press the brake. Right, do you know what the clutch is for?
Yeah, let's change gear. Not done.
Okay, so when you're going to change gear, you always have to press the clutch.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. It disconnects the gearbox from the engine, otherwise you crunch the gears.
Yeah. What if you've ever forgotten to turn?
Well, sometimes when you hear people I put your belt on. So what we're going to do, you have to give a little bit of throttle.
Is this video in?
A little bit. Just get on with it.
Right.
You have to give a little bit of throttle
Yeah.
before you release the clutch, or the engine will die.
If I don't die first.
Yeah, simple stuff. Simple stuff.
So, let me just see you push the clutch in. Do you know your gears? All the way. The clutch all the way, always.
Alright,
put it into...
I'm going forward then. Oh, it doesn't go any forward. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. No, what if you're really short?
Right. So, push the clutch in.
Yeah.
And put first. Do you know where first is?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no. No, that's third. That's it. So it's first, second, into the middle, third, fourth,
fifth, sixth.
Really?
First,
and remember,
second,
you have to be very gentle with the gearbox. You don't have to be... you can be... No, listen. Just gentle. Really?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Alright, put it into first. Now, we want a little bit of accelerator. Did you see what happened? You didn't press the accelerator. Yeah? Both hands are still. Now you have to look forward, not at me. A bit of it. Wait, don't do anything. A bit of accelerator. No, Angel. A bit.
Yes. That's a bit.
A little bit.
Do I look worried? Yes.
No, but hold it a little bit. Oh, no, let go of the clutch. A little. You got the brake on, that's why.
Well, you should have put it.
Push the accelerator.
That's your fault, not mine.
No, let's. Only a bit. So this is the engine speed here, right? Mm-hmm. Keep the clutch pressed in. Can you see the engine speed? Press the accelerator so you go up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no. Alright, don't go more than 2. And then release the clutch very slowly. That's it. Now I want you to push the clutch and the brake at the same time so the engine doesn't stall. Press the brake.
Gently does it.
And again. That's it a bit, and then release the clutch. That's it. Press the brakes softly. There we
Can't
go.
get any more softly than that.
And again. That's it. Let go of the clutch. Slowly. No, carry on a bit. Okay. Did you stall? Didn't press the clutch. No, press the clutch.
When watching the video back when we first recorded it, I realised that I kept repeating something over and over and over again, like a parrot.
Push the clutch, press the clutch, push the clutch in, let go of the clutch, release the clutch, push the clutch, press the clutch, no, press the clutch, press the clutch, push the clutch in. Are you pressing the clutch?
Yes, I'm pressing.
All the way.
Literally.
Anyway, we were soon making progress.
Oh, don't do anything yet. What we're going to do is just pull out and start turning, will it? Bit of revs, let go of the brake, bit of revs. Let go of the clutch. No, it's too much. That's it. And more turn the wheel more. No, stop. You were giving it
Please
two.
say a command.
Shut up. Leave it at 2. Oh, now let go of the clutch. Keep your foot on the accelerator. Let go. That's it. Right. Now look forward. Okay. Go on straight a bit. That's it. And then just turn, just carry on just driving around.
It was all going well, and then I remembered that actually over time we developed some very bad habits.
Ahora tranquilo.
Tranquilo tú.
No, maybe we wanted a bit of a wider circle. Alright, start turning, turn more, this way, more, turn, no, wait, okay, stop, no, stop, I need to show you something. Clutch and brake, clutch, put it into neutral, that's it. So when you're turning, don't do this. You need to feed the wheel like this.
Yeah.
Never take your hands off the wheel, feed it like this.
I'd remembered that that's how you're supposed to steer when you're learning to drive.
Slide it, like I showed you. That's it. Careful, straight. No, slide. Keep your hands in the same place all the time. Slide it round like this. That's it. Slide it round. That's how you have to learn.
Confidence was building, and after about 10 minutes, it was time for a gear change.
All right, straighten up, and we're going to do first to second, will it? So, bit of power. Now, clutch in. Turn, pull it down. Let go of the clutch. That's it. Now you're in second.
After about 15 minutes, we were practically done. So she learned how to pull out with the clutch, change gear. So actually, she picked it up pretty quickly. I can't remember how quickly I did it because, well, I just sort of knew what to do. I'd been observing it for so many years. And so it was different for me. But she picked it up really quick, started getting confidence, we're driving around, gear change, everything. So I was like, okay, getting that. We need to do it a couple of more times before we get to a track. But yeah, the basics are there. And the good thing is that we are still on speaking terms.
Are you done, or you want to do a bit more?
No, I'm gonna go eat. Can you take a picture of me?
Where?
Outside. It's got good lighting. Give me my phone, Dad, will you?
Oh, it's highly stressful, guys.
Yeah, for me, not for you.